The American dream is evolving. In 2025, more people than ever are walking away from the traditional 9-to-5 grind in pursuit of something greater, financial freedom on their own terms. Thanks to technology, remote work, and new income models, everyday Americans are building full-time incomes through side hustles, digital businesses, investing, and freelancing, without needing a degree or a boss. The new American dream: financial freedom without a 9-to-5. So, before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. The American dream has always evolved with the times. Once centered on securing a stable 9-to-5 job, buying a house, and retiring at 65 with a pension, the modern version of this dream has shifted dramatically. Today, more and more Americans are chasing a different vision: financial freedom without traditional employment. The new American dream revolves around autonomy, location independence, passive income, and time-rich living. As technology, remote work, entrepreneurship, and the digital economy advance, a growing number of people are opting out of conventional jobs in pursuit of more meaningful, flexible, and financially abundant lives. This detailed guide explores what's fueling this movement, how people are achieving it, and how you can build your own version of the new American dream. 1. Why the 9-to-5 model is breaking down. The traditional 9-to-5 job structure was once considered the safest path to security and success. But in 2025, this model is under increasing scrutiny. Rising living costs, stagnant wages, corporate burnout, limited upward mobility, and the erosion of job security have led many Americans to question whether full-time employment is worth the sacrifice. A recent Gallup poll showed that over 60% of workers feel disengaged at work, and more than 50% of millennials are actively seeking alternative income streams. Moreover, the pandemic accelerated a mindset shift where people began prioritizing personal freedom, mental health, and flexibility over job titles and office culture. Add to this the boom in side hustles, gig work, and the creator economy, and it's clear that the old work model no longer serves the aspirations of the modern worker. 2. Defining financial freedom in the new era. Financial freedom no longer simply means being rich. In the context of the new American dream, it's defined as having enough income, passive or diversified, to support your desired lifestyle without being tied to a single employer. For some, that means $4,000 a month to travel and live frugally. For others, it's building a portfolio that generates $10,000 or more monthly to fund a luxurious and time-flexible lifestyle. The goal isn't just wealth, it's control over how you earn, spend, and use your time. Many in this movement aim for a blend of remote income, business ownership, investments, and automation that gives them financial stability without the time-for-money trade-off. 3. The rise of location independence and digital nomadism. Another major component of the new American dream is location freedom. The ability to work from anywhere has become not just a luxury, but a widespread expectation. Thanks to high-speed internet, collaboration platforms like Zoom and Slack, and mobile banking, millions of Americans have built lives untethered to a specific location. Digital nomadism, once a fringe movement, is now mainstream. Remote workers are relocating to low-cost U.S. cities like Austin, Nashville, or Boise, or even living abroad in destinations like Mexico, Portugal, and Bali, where their dollars stretch further. This freedom drastically reduces living costs, allowing people to save more or work less while still enjoying a high quality of life. 4. Building multiple streams of income. The foundation of financial freedom without a 9-to-5 is diversified income streams. Relying on a single paycheck is inherently risky, especially in volatile economic times. Instead, modern financial freedom seekers focus on building multiple income streams that include freelance or consulting work, e-commerce and dropshipping, real estate rental income, digital products or online courses, YouTube or podcast monetization, affiliate marketing and brand partnerships, stock market dividends or ETFs, cryptocurrency staking or DeFi, Substack newsletters or community memberships. Some of these are active income, requiring time investment, while others are passive or semi-passive. The goal is to create a portfolio of income that isn't reliant on a single employer, allowing for more flexibility and resilience. 5. The creator economy and personal branding. The creator economy has become one of the most powerful vehicles for financial freedom. In 2025, people are turning their hobbies, knowledge, and experiences into 6- and 7-figure businesses. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Substack allow creators to monetize directly through ads, sponsorships, merchandise, memberships, and paid content. The key is building a personal brand that attracts an audience. Creators who teach a skill, entertain, or solve a problem can grow niche audiences that provide recurring income. What's more, with tools like Canva, ChatGPT, and AI video editors, solo creators can produce high-quality content at a fraction of the cost compared to traditional media companies. 6. AI and automation. Earning more by working less. AI is playing a central role in enabling the new American dream. From automating social media content to managing customer service, AI tools reduce manual labor and allow solopreneurs to scale with minimal staff. Freelancers use AI for writing proposals, editing videos, or generating graphics. E-commerce entrepreneurs automate order fulfillment, email marketing, and inventory tracking. Real estate investors use AI-powered apps for property valuation and market analysis. With tools like Jasper AI, Zapier, Notion AI, and Shopify Flow, individuals can operate lean businesses that would have required large teams just 5 years ago. This technological leverage is one of the biggest reasons people can now earn a full-time income while only working part-time. 7. Minimalism and the FIRE movement. A surprising component of the new American dream is not spending more, but needing less. The financial independence, retire early FIRE movement has blended with minimalism and intentional living. Rather than striving for excess, people are reducing their living expenses, downsizing, and focusing on experiences over possessions. Some are choosing van life, tiny homes, or off-grid cabins. Others are reducing debt, canceling subscriptions, or moving to tax-friendly states. The FIRE movement emphasizes saving 50 to 70% of income, investing aggressively, and reaching a point where work becomes optional. This lifestyle is especially popular among millennials and Gen Z, who value time and freedom over material status. 8. Education, not degrees. The new learning model. Traditional college degrees are no longer necessary to build a high income, 9-to-5 free lifestyle. In fact, many successful creators, coders, and investors are entirely self-taught. The internet has democratized education with platforms like Coursera, YouTube, Udemy, Skillshare, and LinkedIn Learning. There are specialized bootcamps for skills like coding, UX/UI design, marketing, and AI automation. Many aspiring entrepreneurs also invest in coaching masterminds or online communities tailored to their niche. The shift from formal education to skill acquisition means that anyone with Wi-Fi, discipline, and curiosity can learn the skills needed to earn independently. 9. Real people, real stories. From single moms starting Etsy businesses to former teachers becoming YouTube educators, the faces of the new American dream are diverse. Take Alex Hormozi, who built a multi-million-dollar consulting business after dropping out of college. Or Cody Sanchez, who left Wall Street to buy boring businesses like laundromats and vending routes, now teaching others how to do the same. There are creators earning $10,000/month from digital templates, earn posts living off rental income, and freelancers living abroad on $2,000/month while earning 3 times that online. These stories prove that the blueprint exists. You just need to tailor it to your strengths, risk tolerance, and goals. 10. The challenges and realities. Despite its appeal, this path isn't without challenges. Building financial freedom without a job requires a mindset shift, consistent self-discipline, and comfort with uncertainty. Income can be irregular, especially in the beginning. Self-employment often lacks benefits like healthcare, paid time off, or retirement contributions. Though tools like high-yield savings accounts, Solo 400 and Onyx, and ACA plans can help bridge that gap. Additionally, without external structure, many people struggle with productivity, loneliness, or burnout. That said, most who succeed say the trade-offs are well worth the freedom gained. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.